Starbucks, McDonald's, Tropical Smoothie, the list goes on. These restaurants and a ton of other ones are now letting you order right from your phone. But now is that system going too far? FS2 News intern Tony Henriott, Danielle, Easterling, and Donald Hunter tell us more.
Technology is improving our lives every day, but could be so advanced that it's replacing human jobs. Digital kiosks have been introduced in major companies like Wendy's, McDonald's, and many grocery stores. McDonald's already has over 2,500 stores that already have kiosks. Teenagers need to work harder than ever to find entry-level jobs. No longer is the teenager competing against other qualified people. They now have to compete with technology. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the unemployment rate of people ages 16 to 19 has increased by 20%. Junior Karleigh Hovemo also has concerns that kiosks will negatively affect the company.
Because we don't have employees, so you're not giving money to someone, so they can't put taxes back into the economy, so it would just plummet because there's not as much money swirling around.
But other teenagers have a different view. Some say it would benefit those who are more shy than others or just in a rush, says junior Allison Hunter.
This will benefit people who especially suffer from anxiety or just overall nervousness, people who just don't like confrontation. And then just people who are in a hurry, perhaps.
Automated employees are impacting the lives of workers and consumers alike.
I really like mobile ordering and everything, but I never thought of it taking jobs away from actual people. That will kind of make it harder to get a summer job, right?
Right. Now you're competing against college graduates, high school graduates, and computers. That kind of makes the diploma even more important.
It really does.